Hello everyone. Hope everyone's doing well. For my Web 2.0 tool that I am using for the ScreenCast assignment, we will be going over Flipgrid. This is the tool I've picked out to compare to also to Microsoft's Teams. I got my Microsoft Teams tab open right here, and I got the Flipgrid right here as well. So I think Flipgrid would be very useful for a teacher because this is basically giving video instructions. You can give video instructions at home, so it can set up for class time where your students can actually work on assignments and ask questions when they get questions versus teaching them in class and then them doing homework at home and then them having a question on a few different questions that you have on the homework assignment, and they're not able to ask you. I mean, they can always shoot you an email, but there's nothing like having the face-to-face interaction with the student when they have a question about something on the assignment. So with Flipgrid, you can teach the material at home and have them watch and take notes at home. And then the next day when they come into class, they can do the assignments, they can complete it, they can ask questions, and it gives less opportunity or less likely for the students to be confused on the assignments or confused on certain questions and stuff. So it's a very good, useful tool to use. So here we'll look into it a little bit right here. First, you're gonna create an account. So when you first go to the Flipgrid website, you type in Flipgrid on Google, click on it, and then when you pull it up, it says either sign up or type in a code. And if you're a student, of course, you'll type in a code and then you'll be admitted into the class of your teacher. But if you're the teacher, you press sign up. You can either sign up with Google email. You can sign up with a Microsoft email, or you can sign up with a different email and create a password. So I use my Google email to sign up. So I'm in here now. And when you first come in, it won't look like what my screen looks like right now because I have first period, second period, and third period pulled up, but it'll be blank right here. But since you teach different classes throughout the day, you want to separate those classes so not all your classes are together. So I have first period here, and then second period and third period. So the way to create a group or a different class, you go over here to create group in the uh, top right corner. You click the plus sign, you create a group, you name it. So fourth period, and then you edit themes or anything like that. And then you're in here. You can share. You can send an invite link. And then you always have your initial topic and stuff. And then if you need to go back to your other groups, say you need to go to period 3, you go to third period right here, and you can see that I also created a topic post already for this class. I named it as a test. But once you create your groups, that's when you can come in and start creating topics or different assignments. So like you come over here to the far right where the plus sign is on topic, you press plus, and then we'll name this test 2. So this is another assignment that I'd be assigning to the class, and I can give how long do I want the response time to be. It can be a minute 30, it can be 15, a minute, 2 minutes, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. We'll just do 2 minutes. We can record a video to show them my face. We can upload a video. We can add a YouTube link. We can add pictures right here. I can add a description of what this is. And then this basically creates kind of like a discussion board, but also if I was teaching and stuff, like giving a lesson, I'll give the lesson, and then afterwards I'd upload the video. I would either record it right here or upload it, and then I'd post it. I'll add a description. We'll just do test 2. And then we post it. And then we get a Flipgrid link that we can share with the class. But if they're already in the class, we won't need that. And then we'll let's go back to third period right here, and we see test 2. So when we click on test 2, there's no one that's responded. So if I'm the first one to respond, so like they watch the video, and if they have any questions at home, instead of emailing me, you go in, you press allow on the video. I'm not going to do that since we're recording, because that might mess up the recording. But basically, all they would do was they would just pretty much just make a recording of themselves asking the question. They could show you a piece of paper uh, or whatever they need to do to ask the question. They can do that, so you can see that before they even come to class, so you can help answer questions that way. Or you can even do a homework assignment on here, like you post an assignment and they have to record themselves talking about the assignment that they're doing. And so this is a very useful tool that teachers can use to help teach online for when students are not in class, or when they are in class and then they for homework at home or given lessons at home and stuff. And then compared to teams, I mean, you got your different teams. I only have one team set up right here. You can join or create a team in the top right corner again. And then you got your chat, you got your activity. So it's very similar to teams, but the only difference is in teams is more like commenting and not posting videos. But in click off that. But in teams, it's more commenting. You can post videos here and there, but it's not all videos. Like pretty much on Flipgrid, it is almost all videos. So it's kind of like the face-to-face interaction, and you can really see if a student is understanding something or not by the questions they submit or the video of them commenting on something. You can also tell if it's truly coming from them or if they're using some source as well. So Flipgrid is definitely a useful tool for teachers in the future. So I definitely will use this in my classroom after I graduate. Thank you. I hope everyone's having a great day.